We have 3 weeks left to do this, and we pretty much just started now.
Last month, we knew we were gonna do this.
Yeah.
Notice the YouTube channel name.
Is that all set? Wait, say hey you guys.
Hey you guys.
So Slack Shack has been putting a lot of focus as a company on commercials, weddings, events, things like that, because those kinds of videos earn money. And as a business, you need to earn money, as I say every week. But one thing that we also focus on are short films and YouTube channels, such as this one. And eventually we'd like to get it to the point where the YouTube and short film stuff are earning the money. So right now we're focusing on the commercials and gig stuff in order to pay for our YouTube and short film stuff. Eventually we'd like it to where the YouTube and short film stuff is paying for everything, so we don't need to worry about this, and we can just do what we really like, what helps us be creative, and will get us closer to our final goal, which is to be making feature films.
It's so Arizona outside.
So Nate, tell me, what are we doing here today?
Well, Dane and Dig, today we're mapping out our short film that we've been talking about for years but have never finished.
So the whole thing is one shot. The issue with that is there's a lot of like effects that we're gonna be doing that we can't do in post. So one of those including the walls move essentially. And so we can't just do that in a house because most houses came with unmovable walls. So they didn't think.
Unfortunately.
And do not think we didn't try.
So after hours of trying to move the walls in my house, we decided to build a set. So we want to know exactly how big we want the set to be. So what we've done is we've laid this out, and this also gives us an excuse to lay out where like the things in the room are going to be. Like right here we have our bed. We also have, important to the story, 2 windows which we marked just on the ground right here as well.
Oh, can't get to open. What are you guys doing? You shooting the mayonnaise commercial?
Tell us what we really want to know. How's the beanbag?
Beanbag's pretty good. I'm definitely glad we got it here. It's good. So a big step that we're taking is Nate's film, because that one requires a set, it requires a studio space that we're going to need to rent for the day, and it's going to be quite a bit of money. Aperture's Light This Location Film Challenge has given us a good opportunity to do that because they have tons of prizes. If we were to win any of those, that would be huge for the company. And we have an idea, I think, that Nate brought to the table that I think is a really good one if we can execute it properly. And if it doesn't, we have a little bit in the budget to put it into festivals and things like that to help get the Slack Shack brand out there, and also Nate as a director out there as well. So this is a big step in Slack Shack. We've done some videos and stuff that are going to be coming out here soon, but this is the first big, legit short film that we're going to be crewing out for, getting good talent and actors, and getting some gear and locations and all that stuff.
So if you'll remember, it's only one shot, which means we only get to do it one time. So there's no fixing it in post with these because there's no cuts. You can't be like, we'll hide it with a cut. No, chief. It's all one take.
Setting all this up also gives us an opportunity to go through the scene and place where exactly the actor's going to be, where the camera will be. We're going to either use this camera or the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K camera, which is also micro four thirds, so they'll match the lens that we're going to get. You're not going to get very many opportunities to film with
Such talent.
Is that a light over there?
Oh God! What? And I'm gonna come over to the side of you and get your reaction, and you don't like that very much at all. Oh man, sweet.
That's
Another
pretty
one.
crazy.
Am I on acid? Wall's opening. Oh my God! What's going on? Through the doors. Duck under the tape. Aw boy. Uh-oh.
There's nothing
Back to bed.
Nothing to do here.
Look.
He wasn't, but
Get back in here. So we did map this whole thing out in Cinetracer, so we have a full storyboard as well as like a mock lighting setup and all the blockings there and everything too. But what that meant is when I was learning how to do it and learning how to move dudes around, I just had a dude butt scoot all the way across the room back and forth, and that's just how Cinetracer works.
Much like this, if I may be so
Please,
bold.
yeah.
Where did you start again? So it's like this. And just
No, you gotta turn backwards, then walk backwards to it, yeah.
Man, you know what? I mean, do you want to just be the actor in this?
Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. Click subscribe and the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Yeah, like this video and comment on it and tell us what you think. Comments, we really like them. They make us feel special and stuff. Thanks for watching. See you next week. I'm gonna take a nap.
notice that Nate is wearing the shirt that I wore last week.
I took it.
I'm kind of embarrassed I don't have a plaid shirt like you guys.
You would look good in plaid. You've got the red beard and everything. It's alright, you got the beard of a filmmaker.
Thanks, Nate. That's true.
I'm trying to grow my hair out to be like the hair of a filmmaker because I can't quite handle the facial hair of the filmmaker just yet. I'm not there in puberty yet. Hopefully that catches up soon.